Hi, have you ever wondered why you don't always do the things you know you should? You have great intentions in the morning to eat healthily or to finish your projects at work or start a presentation that's due in a couple of weeks, yet you don't do it. You inadvertently seem to get sidetracked. Other things come up and you're busy, but you don't do the things that you know will help you get the results you want. And perhaps you say to yourself, I know what to do, so why don't I do it? You see, here's the thing. Most people know what they need to do to achieve their goals. If you're a business owner, I'm sure you know the key actions that you need to take each day and each week to achieve the outcomes that you want. Yet, do you always do them? Now, I can guarantee that you won't, even if you're awesome at completion and doing and taking action, because you are human. And there's a lot of reasons that we do not do the things that we know we should. A lot of it is because our brain is simply hardwired to keep us safe and comfortable, not successful and happy. Furthermore, we have two parts to our mind. And if we don't understand and discover and learn about our subconscious mind, what's in it, what's going on, then we will never achieve the full results that we want. Because our subconscious mind runs programs, remembers everything we've ever done, learnt and experienced in our life. So a lot of the programs that we're running right now, we actually unintentionally picked up when we were really young, yet because they're hidden beneath our conscious awareness, we can't see them and we're not aware of them. But it's almost like an invisible pair of glasses that we view the world through. So if you want to achieve the things that you know that you could do and should do, if you want to do more of the things you say you will do, then it's super important that you have an understanding of how your brain works and you work at the level of your subconscious mind and you become equipped with the how-to. Not a book in a bookcase, but the how-to tools. So if I can help you out in any way, it's what I do every day in my business, Mindset for Success. I've been doing this for years. I guarantee results for my clients. So if you would like to achieve a little bit more, do the things you know you should, create healthy habits, feel more empowered, tap into more of your potential and increase your results, then please reach out to me. I would love to help you. Otherwise, make sure that you pay more attention to those stories and those things that you tell yourself in your head. Have a great day. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.